City Plaza ay nanunuyo na daw si Mierna Ebias.
Hoy! Manay Mierna Vlog?
Ay,
Si Mierna Ebias?
Manay Mierna Vlog. Sorry guys.
Ano ba yun?
I know, that is my mistake guys. This is Mierna Vlog. Representing from Hong Kong. And together with my band. She's the only one in 6 years and you know. So if you want to go with me guys to watch what is the things here in City Plaza, you can go with me and we can take a look what we have here. So ito pero more on very expensive things inside and yun. Ayan. Pupunta daw kami ngayon sa sa my friend ni Mierna Vlog. Doon. Nag-pass by lang kami dito for a while. So, see you later guys. And hanggang dito na lang muna yung natin ha. Love you all. This is Mierna Ebias. And I'm Jennifer Vlog with
And I'm Jet Bermudez.
yeah, we are here now in City Plaza. We are here now guys.
Salamat tayo. Nag-video siya yung picture.
Sabi niya ayaw din niya mag-picture. Sunod-sunod naman sa camera. O, diba? Ito nga pala yung natin guys sa vlogger. Nag-vlog din yan. Pero sabi niya wag daw siya isali sa mga vlog ni Jera. Pero ngayon ay siya yung nag-o-mixing nito. Happy holiday guys here in Hong Kong. Pak!
Hoy, Jera, i-video mo ako ng ate.
Pak! Pak! Dun.
Emotional damage.
Panahon mag-arena.